In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give control in Zoom. This handy feature is incredibly useful during meetings, especially when collaborating on projects or troubleshooting issues. By the end of this guide, you'll be fully equipped to seamlessly hand over control during your Zoom sessions. To get started, first, you'll want to open Zoom on your device. This is a crucial first step, as all the following actions will unfold within the Zoom interface. Make sure you're logged in, and then either start a new meeting or join an existing one as the host. Being the host is essential because only the host has the privileges needed to share control. Once you're in the meeting, take a look at the toolbar typically found at the bottom of the screen. Here, you're going to click on the option labeled Share Screen. This function is where the magic begins. Clicking it will prompt you to choose which specific window or application you wish to share with others in the meeting. Select the one that you think will be most beneficial for your collaboration or the task at hand. After you've made your selection, you need to click the Share button to start sharing that particular window or application with the participants. This action allows everyone in the meeting to view what you've selected, preparing the way for giving control. Now that your screen is being shared, you'll notice a small menu bar somewhere at the top of your screen. This is the View Options menu, and you'll want to click on it. This step is crucial because it opens up additional settings related directly to screen sharing, including the ability to manage remote control options. With the View Options menu open, you should see an option that reads Request Give Remote Control. Clicking on this will bring up a list of participants currently in your Zoom meeting. It's from this list that you can select the participant to whom you want to give control. Consider who will benefit most from having control of your screen at this moment. Select the participant's name from the list, and with that selection, you've successfully given them control of your screen. By doing so, you're enabling them to navigate through your shared content just as you would a pivotal feature when they need to directly interact with what's being shown. And that's it. As you've seen, giving control in Zoom is a straightforward process once you know where to navigate. Whether you're working on a collaborative project or assisting someone with a task, remote control is a feature that makes the Zoom experience much more interactive and efficient. Thank you for watching, and next time you're in a meeting, go ahead and give it a try.